Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through how to remove connected apps from Google account, and it will be a step-by-step video. So here let's dive into the main topic. So here actually you can see how we can remove our connected apps from Google account. You just need to go to the profile icon, click over here and then manage your Google account. Once you click over here, then you just need to come to the security. Once you come over here, then here you will get the options for your connection and third-party apps. Just go over here and you will find out all the connections you have in this Google account. So from that place, if you want to remove one of them, you just need to go to the app and then you can easily remove them. How you can do it? Just go over any of the platform, and here you can see we have options like keep track of your connection with Lovable. So delete all connection you have with Lovable. Just click this one and you just need to be confirmed. Once you confirm it, then you can easily remove your connected apps from Google account. This is the easiest way to remove connected apps from Google account. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you,